Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. I hope you have seen my previous video about the fundamental unit of life chapter. In that chapter I was discussing about the cell, what cell is made up of, what is the structure of cell and what function does cell perform. So in continue with that I am starting the new chapter, that is tissue. So let's start the chapter. So what is tissue? What function does tissue perform? How many type of tissues are present? So we will discuss all this in this chapter one by one. What is tissue? So tissue is a group of cells that are similar in structure and perform similar function. Like you can see, this is one cell. When two or more than cell combine, they form a tissue, and this tissue forms an organ. Okay, so in this chapter we will only talk about tissue. For example, blood cell. Blood cell helps in transportation of oxygen, food and other material. Every tissue or every cell perform its specific function. Like muscle cell help in movement. In plant, vascular tissues are present like xylem and phloem, which we will discuss later in this chapter. These xylem and phloem help in the transportation of food and water from one part of the plant to another part of the plant. So multicellular organisms show a division of labor, means work is divided between each cell, means each cell perform different functions, specific functions. Like lung cells helps in the respiration, stomach cells help in the digestion of food, etc. Okay, so before moving further we will discuss about the difference between plant tissue and animal tissue. So there are different type of tissue present in plants and animal. Like in plant tissue, cell have cell walls, while as we know, animal cell doesn't contain cell walls. So and plants are stationary, means they are fixed at one position, so they require less energy and maintenance, while animal cell show locomotion, means animal cell move from one place to another, so that's why they need more energy and maintenance. In plant tissue, some tissues are dead while some are living, while in animal tissue, all tissues are living because they require high energy than plants. Growth is confined to tip of the root and stem, means in plant tissue growth is only confined to tip of the root and stem, while animal tissue growth is uniform all over the body. Plant tissue provides support and strength to the cell, while animal tissue monitor all the activity of the cell. So there are two type of tissue present in plant: permanent and meristematic, while animal tissue is mainly divided into four types: epithelial, connective, nervous and muscle tissue. So we will discuss about the type of tissue in further videos, while in this video I will be discussing about the plant tissue, that is meristematic tissue. Okay, so let's discuss about the meristematic tissue. So now let's discuss about the meristematic tissue. So meristematic tissue is also known as the dividing tissue of the cell. So this tissue comprises of a group of cells that continuously divides to form new cell. So how does this cell look like? So meristematic tissues are very small in size and cubical in shape, as you can see in this diagram which I am drawing. Basically meristematic tissue, meristematic tissue cell look like this. They contain nucleus, but they lack vacuoles and have a dense cytoplasm, and they contain very thin cell wall. This is nucleus, and this is cytoplasm. Okay, and these are the cell of meristematic tissue. Now we will discuss about the type of meristematic tissue. So meristematic tissue is divided into three types on the basis of position, means on the basis of at which part meristematic tissue is present in the plant. So there are three types of meristematic tissue: apical meristem, intercalary meristem, and lateral meristem. Apical meristem is the type which is present at the tip of the root and stem. Like in stem, here is the apical meristem is present, while in root, suppose this is a root of a plant, so apical meristem is present here in the roots. So apical meristem is responsible for increasing in the length of the plant. So second is intercalary meristem. Intercalary meristem is located at the base of nodes and internodes. So what is nodes? So suppose this is a stem of a plant. Point where leaves are attached to the stem is known as node. So this is a node. Okay, so and the distance between the two node is known as internode. This is another node, and the space between the two node is known as internode. Okay, so intercalary meristem is responsible for the stem elongation or longitudinal growth. As you can see, as nodes will grow, stem will elongate. Okay, so third meristematic tissue is lateral meristem, which is found at the lateral side of the stem and root. Lateral side means here is lateral meristem is present, which helps in increasing the girth or width of the plant. Okay, that means it increases the plant this way. Okay, so hope you have understand about the meristematic tissue in this video. If you have any doubt and want videos of any other topic, you can tell me in the comments. But before starting this chapter video, please listen to the video of the fundamental unit of life chapter, so that you can clearly understand this topic. Okay, so if you have any suggestion or want any handwritten notes, you can comment down below this video. I will provide to you if I have. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.